Welcome back, viewers. In today's video, we are going to check out the tutorial for personal commands in Endeavour OS. So you have to open up the welcome app, and in the tips section, you have to go and click on this tutorial personal commands. So that will bring up this page. You can see it here. So this contains some command syntax to use the YAD forms and bash language to create a simple GUI. So you can create a simple GUI, and then what you can do is you can use personal commands. So you can create a commands that can be executed one by one using the simple GUI that you have designed using the YAD. YAD I have shown you in earlier videos. In one of my videos I have discussed in detail about YAD, what is YAD. So you can check it out here, and everything is given in detail here. You can check it out for yourself, how to create the bash file, and you can run this bash file with a GUI based front end. So you have to create some buttons, hit on the button, and then that button will execute script. Then that script, bash script, also you have to configure. So everything you can do it here. And so whatever the say maintenance, you are doing some system maintenance, then that system maintenance can be automated using the bash script and the GUI that you have created using YAD. So that everything, how to do it, it is given here. You can try this out, and of course you can contact other users, advanced users in Endeavour OS community to get help on how to create a personal GUI based system maintenance tool. So you can create a good system maintenance tool using this. So everything is given, how to do it, how to create the GUI, and how to create the bash scripts. Everything is given. So do take a look at this web page. It is a great web page for people who want to learn the bash script, who want to add their own commands and create a system maintenance schedule. So you have to just open that GUI tool, click on the buttons. Each button will correspond to a bash script that will help you to do the system maintenance. So like that you can do it here. So I will now stop the video here. See you in the next video. Bye bye.